Well, hello folks. Just finishing up the log cabin that we were working on. Get the dust off it here. Now, as you can see, I burned it to give it that burnt look, log cabin look. I think it turned out pretty good. I put a little bit of oil on there to go over the top of it. And yeah. I think it's going to work all right. The only thing left I got to do is add on these here so I can put it up on the outside of the barn. We'll be ready to have some baby birds in it. Now it's pretty easy to just char these up a little bit. I just use one of these chef's torches. I don't know if you have one of these, but these are pretty handy, especially if you're cooking steak or something and you just got it kind of medium rare, but you want to sear the top after, you do that. Or if you're cooking eggs, instead of having to flip them easy over, I just take the torch and just go over the top of the eggs and voila. They're a little bit expensive, but they're about $40. But you get 2 tanks of fuel with it. Guess it depends on how much you use it. But they're easy to operate. You just turn this knob out here till it's on and just give her a click. And then you got your torch. This is a safety lock there, so you can't turn it on. Yeah, so this was a fun one to build. I'm still working on the other bird feeder one. I'm in the gluing process, so I can only glue a little bit of pieces at a time in these arches, and then I have to let them set up. Cut it at a 30-degree angle. I've got a few more of those to put on before I can get the base going. Yeah, slow process. It was kind of a sad day yesterday. My ex-wife's husband passed away of a heart attack. He was a police sergeant in the town of Morristown. So I've been kind of sad about that. Yeah, you never know. He was only like 61. And he and I are actually, believe it or not, we're very close friends, and I'm going to miss him a lot. Well, anyway, catch y'all later.